Hey guys, what's up? It's Carol Loose Fishing. Today is the first day of our 3-part video to Newell. We've been driving for about 3 hours and we're just getting to the lake now. We're going for some trophy pike this weekend, so we're pretty excited about it. Just stay tuned and we'll see if we can get a big one. Guys, we're on the lake. Just got here now. There's not much for snow, so it's pretty slippery out here. Now we're just gonna drill a couple holes and we'll see if we can get on the fish. Can you get that Bella? Cool. First fish of the trip. We caught him in about the first 5-7 minutes. Let's get him back in the water. Still there. We still got him. Nice. Second fish of the day. Brianna caught it. It was about 2 minutes after our last fish. Hey guys, we are about halfway through our first day. It's about 1 o'clock now. We have 5 fish on the day. It's been doing pretty good. They're coming in pretty steady. Bray looks like she's getting kind of bored. Just stay tuned and see if we can get some more today. I think this is the 6th fish of the day. Nice 28-incher. We'll get him back in the water. Good job, babe. That's a good one. Got the heaviest fish of the day so far. It's a nice 7-pounder. Jeez. Oh, this is my monster. No way. Oh God! Whoa! Yes! Look at that thing! Biggest fish of the day so far. Oh, he's a monster. So the sun's starting to go down now, so we're just gonna start cleaning everything up. We got a pretty awesome day for our first day. Super happy with it. I got a 15-pounder. Bray got a nice 7-pounder. Now we'll just see if we can get a bigger one tomorrow. So I found a little bit of mud on the way off the lake. Ended up snapping my CV axle on my truck. Hopefully we can still make it in there tomorrow to keep catching some fish. What's up, guys? It's day 2 of the trip. We're just getting ready in the hotel here. It's pretty nasty outside. It's been snowing all night and the wind is absolutely howling. We're gonna go give her a shot anyways. We'll just see you on the lake. Good job, babe. First fish of the day. Again, caught him in the first 5 minutes. We've already had another bite. Haven't even got all of our rods out yet. Let's get him back in the water and catch some more. Fish of the day, 33 incher, caught right after that first one. We've only been here 10 minutes. So we're finally all set up here. Day 2 of the Newell trip. Dave and Rooster decided to join us today. We have 2 fish already before we even got fully set up. Let's keep her going. Hey guys, so it's starting to slow down a lot now. The wind's really starting to howl. We're gonna keep grinding it out though, see if we can get a couple more before the end of the day. Just stay tuned, we'll see if we can get one. It's coming into the day now. We weren't able to get on any more fish just because of how bad the wind was. Still pretty decent day though. I got a nice 33 inch. We still got tomorrow to try out, so just stay tuned. We'll see if we can get some more. Come on, up. Come up, Rooster, come up, come here. Yeah. What's up, guys? It's the 3rd and final day of the Newell trip. We're just headed out to the lake now. The sun's up and it's not windy today, so we should have a pretty decent day out there on the lake. Just stay tuned and we'll see if we can get a big one. Fish of the day. Again, caught it in the first 5 minutes of being here. Thicker one. all set up here on our last day of the Newell trip. We have one fish already before we even got the second rod out. Let's get some more. This little guy. Just a little fish for our second fish of the day. Alright guys, it's really starting to slow down now. So we're going to start packing up and make the long drive home. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go hit that like button. Also comment if you have ideas for new trips. Make sure you let me know. I'll try to make that work. I have a new walleye fishing video coming out here pretty quick, so make sure you stay tuned for that. We really enjoyed this trip. We caught lots of fish. It was pretty awesome. So just stay tuned for more guys.